Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, my glamours. So I did this 10 minutes look. It's only took me 10 minutes, and I mixed up a little bit of the products, but I believe most of them are affordable. So if you want to see how I achieved this 10 minutes makeup look, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. I know that I am late doing my tutorials. I already primed my face. I'm already color correcting all that good stuff. So let's go in with the eyeshadow. This is the Wet n Wild. This is the, they say, WI Purple. And we're going to take that shade right here and this one right there. I need somebody's advice. I have so much unused makeup, and I just want to know, should I go ahead and open it up and use it as a tutorial, or should I keep them sealed? I'm not sure. I only usually wear makeup on my tutorials, so you might see me outside and I have no makeup. So let's go with this color first. This is a light color. Okay. Should we prep our eyes just maybe a little bit? I'm going to use this Pro Girl highlighter in high definition. I don't use anything else. I'm not going to put this on my face to highlight. It's really white. Think about Kush all in my sleep. Mary Jane, she soothes me. That loud pack and I'm Gucci. If you pass me that red, you know I start acting bad and bougie. Nigga, no, don't do me. Ride around with that toolie. Your boy be happy. See, that's done. So we're going to go to that color. And I like how Wet n Wild did the transition color. They basically tell you, hey, these are the transitions color. Actually, it's a little fallout transition towards transition. Kush is waiting on me. Now we're gonna start with that darker one here now. Since we put that all over the lid, we're gonna start with this one. Okay, and put that in the crease, and also put this right here in the outer V. Nevada got Alaskan Thunderbird. Now I'm here in Vegas. What happens here? I don't say shit. Cop that Maui Wowie. I'm turned up, feeling rowdy. You got weed and they sharing, bruh. Watch out for his character. Fake niggas that smoke yours, but stash theirs. Yeah, I'm dead to ya. Hunted down a new next. Now I'm taking this light color right here, and I'm gonna blend everything out. Roll it up. Put the rest in that brownie, bruh. Going to that dark color now. Rolling up that canatonic all over the atlas with the chronic. Hit the street. That's basically it for the eyes. Do a liner, not a wing liner, just a liner. When Jay ready, hit your city. Don't be acting like a bus of blazer with. And how do I liner? I just stamp. No need to be acting all high sedity. I still be putting on for my city. Now keep stamping. I'm just gonna do that. Just stamp. I learned that from Nikki Tutorials. This is the Physician Formula, right? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Yeah, Physician Formula. This is the mascara, and this is the fibers. No lashes today. Now the fibers. I'm going to take the LA Pro Girl in Cool Tan and also in pure beige. Start with the medium tan first. This is my color. We've been talking for a long time. What you gon' do, what I'm gon' do. We intertwine this jungle juice, watermelon. Yes, pure beige. Now for that, I'm gonna take this brush to get into all under my eye. Take some of this pressure off your lady, then work your spine. Let me lick it, wanna touch it, and I know that you gon' love it when you let me in your body, babe. Now you can stop here and put some fresh powder on, blush, keep on going. But I like a little brightness under my eye. I'll go ahead and take the Tarte Creases Concealer, and I'm gonna list all the colors in the description box. Your number one fan, get this service, baby. Ooh, don't be so nervous, baby. Cause you lashes a little bit with this mascara.
Pulling that hair, elbow all up in your back now, arch it. Legs around my waist. Now top it off, set it on my face.
Now I'm gonna set everything with my Balm foundation. This is in dark. I'm gonna take my Eco Tool brush and I'm just setting.
Me lick it, wanna touch it, and I know that you gon' love it when you let me.
I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. This is the Cocoa Miami. I'm just gonna bronze up just a little bit. Take my Real Technique bronzer brush right here, and just pat a little bit. Take this fluffy brush here. This is an It brush. I'm gonna softly contour my nose and bring it up to my eyebrow. And right underneath my eyebrow. I'm gonna bring my contour and move it in the center of my nose, just to blend out that harsh line. Do the same here. The blush brush for this. Child lip. Just a little flush of color. Just a little flush. I'm going to use this Too Faced Sweetie. It's a bronzer. But I use it also for a highlight. This is how it looks. So now I'm going to take this like nude brown color and just pop it on my lips. I'm going to take this lip pumper by Essence, which I don't feel is doing anything for my lips. So this is the finished makeup look. I'll be back so you can see it all in its glory. This is the finished look, the 10-minute look as far as makeup. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Hit that bell to let you know when I upload my videos. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching No Grandma Glamour. Thank you guys for all your support. Till we see each other again, No Grandma Glamour.